Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through some settings you need to do on WhatsApp. In WhatsApp there are some settings you need to do to prevent you from hacking, to make you safe on WhatsApp. Watch the video to end so that you not miss any steps. Let's go. Here, open your WhatsApp like this. You see there's a three line dot on your right hand side top corner. You click on it. When you click on it, you click on settings. Here, our motive is to prevent our IP address, for people to know our location. How to prevent our IP address for people to know our location. You know, when you're making WhatsApp call or chatting with someone can track your location. So these settings will help you to hide or prevent people from seeing or knowing where you are or your location. So after you click settings, it will bring you here, and it will bring you click on privacy. Under the privacy, you scroll down. Down. You see advanced. So you click on advanced. You see you have three options here. You have first one, block unknown number message. Here I will not advise you to choose the first one, because maybe when you have not saved someone contact and a person want to send you message here to prevent the person. But here our motive is to hide our IP address or protect our IP address. So you choose the second one. The second one is protect IP address in course. So you click on IP address. So for this one, when you click or highlight it, it will prevent your IP address. So any calls or anything that you do on WhatsApp, no one will know your location. So this is how to hide your IP address from others. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.